Everyone, today I want to be quick and intentional. I realized there are some people who doesn't know the kind of offers we are having, so I'm going to run very fast, showing you the kind of offers we are having, so that you can take advantage of them this festive season. Because again, after the season is gone, the offers will be gone. First, let's. This is fridge, 469 liters. 469 liters. This fridge was going for 140. Now it's going for 135,000. This fridge is 595. 595. Yes, 595 liters. This fridge is on crazy offer of 120,000. It's even bigger than this, way better. 3 stars, 541 kilowatts per year. Comes with a dispenser. This fridge is going for 120,000. Only 2 units remaining, so take advantage of that. This is Sharp fridge. These ones have been on crazy demand. They were 85,000. Now they are going for 75,000. 75,000. This is how they look. These fridges are very nice because they come with something that is called hybrid cooling system. It's only common with Sharp fridge. And yes, guys, take advantage of this. I think they are almost done from our stock, but you can get them now at 75,000 Kenyan shillings. This is Heya, 10 years warranty. This one was going for 85,000, and it's 288 liters. 288 liters. This one was going for 85,000. At the moment, it's going for 80,000. We've been giving offers, crazy offers. So I want you to understand that. So this is Mika. It's an off-roast, 255 liters. However much is written here, 60,000. This one can go for as low as 59,000. It's an off-roast, 2-star, 360 kilowatts per year, 255 liters, model DS to be exact. And yeah, it's a fridge I would definitely take if I had if I was in the market, and that would with the same budget, I would definitely take this one for 59,000. We have another Aya. This is another Aya, 239 liters. It's an off-roast as well, very big size freezer. I want to show you in the inside how it looks like. Comes with inbuilt egg organizer, chiller box right here, and there you go, your fresh box. This one, you won't believe the price for this. It was 70,000, now it's 65,000. 10 years warranty, 337 kilowatts per year. We have another one right here, 211 liters. This one is a direct cool maker. It's a model DS. Model DS, let me check. No, this is model XLB. Model XLB going for 43,000. Was 45,000. Now it's 43,000. We have another one right here. This is Hisense 2-star, 5 years warranty, direct cool, 2 or 5 liters. Was going for 43,000. Now it's going for 39,500. 5 years warranty, 301 kilowatts per year, 2 stars. I would also highly recommend this one. Hisense, awesome. We have another crazy offer. So this is Midea. This is Midea, 173 liters, direct cool. Comes with acrylic organizer, scooper, a glass, tempered glass. 173 liters, 310 kilowatts per year. It's Midea by brand, and at the moment it's going for only 30,000. 30,000. I think these units, we have like 3 units remaining. They are on crazy offer. We have another one here. This is Vaughn, one of the darkest Vaughn you will get. So this is Vaughn no frost. This is 181 liters. This is how it looks like, no frost. For 43,000 Kenyan shillings, you can get yourself this. 43,000, you can get this. So this is 210 liters, Nunix. The new one, they are also selling like crazy this season. Get yourself this one, 210. This is the most economical big fridge you'll get, and it's on crazy offer of 35,000. 210. This is the most affordable over 200 liters fridge you'll ever get. at the moment. 35,000 Kenyan shillings. It's below 40,000. 35,000. And mind you, it's a 2-star, consuming just 15 watts. Also, it comes with some handles right here. So 35,000, get that one. So this is another fridge, Von, 181 liters, which is this one is a direct cool. It's a direct cool, and this one is going for 33,000. 33,000 at the moment. It's a 2-stars, 275 kilowatts per year, less than 100 watts. For this one, 3 years warranty. Von, a good brand, for 33,000 Kenyan shillings. We have another one right here. This is Mika 138. This has been an epitome of Kenyan kitchens. People are taking this fridge for some reason. It's going nuts. So this one is 138 kilowatts, 138 liters, sorry. And this one, well, this is 138 liters. Comes with a cool pack right there. Kenyans really like this one. This one was going for 35,000 Kenyan shillings, 2 years warranty. But at the moment you can get it at 33,000 Kenyan shillings only. We have another one. This is 128 Nonix by brand. 2-stars, 270 kilowatts per year, 85 watts power consumption. That is very low. And this one is going for just 26,500. Was 28,000, now it's 26,000. One of the most affordable ones. Now, single door here. This is 92 liters, Nonix as well. 2-stars, 145 kilowatts per year, 65 watts. And this one, you just get it for just 18,000 Kenyan shillings. Guys, these are offers that you are running. This is just, I just went through fridges only. Another one before I end, let me just go quick on dispensers. This dispenser is one of the most affordable dispenser you will ever get. 2,900 Kenyan shillings only. It's an hot and normal. This one used to be 35, came to 33. It's a hot and normal, but now we are giving it out for 3,000. This one, and this one. We have a few in stock. This type is hot and normal. You get hot water and the normal water. They have cabinets, compartments right there. So this is Allianz hot, normal and cold. Comes with 3 taps, hot, normal and cold. Comes with a tumbler place to have your tumbler. It's a top load and you getting this for 6,300. It's an hot, normal and cold. We have another one here. This is Mika with child lock. This is the child lock. And it's a hot and normal. You're just going to get this one for 9,000 only. You have another Mika top load with child lock, hot and normal. Get this one for 10,000. You have another one right here. This is hot, normal and cold. And this one comes with a compressor. No, not this one, sorry. So this one is a hot, normal and cold with 12,500. Let me check the one with compressor, not this one too. So this one is hot, normal and cold. This is Von dispenser with child lock. 12,000 you get yourself this. These are the buttons to dispense your water. For 12,000 you get yourself this one. So this is Von hot, normal and cold, but this one goes for 18,000 because it comes with a compressor at the back. Looks like a fridge, so this one you get extremely cold water. 18,000 only. So guys, those are the offers that you are running, and I just wanted to get by and show you the offers. Another offer we are running is this mesh table. So this is not just your typical board table. I made a video about it. So this one is original marble with gold stand. Comes with four sets. It's a 4 sets. So we get this one, the other one, and this for 20,000 Kenyan shillings. Guys, if you want to have a gift idea, I'm making another video next to show gift ideas that you can gift your loved ones. Yeah, just Save Home Appliances. The number is right here, 0720616098.